Have you ever imagined waking up to the serene sound of birds chirping, surrounded by nature's beauty, far from the chaos of city life? What if you could own a piece of this tranquility, with flexible payment plans that make it easier than ever to turn your dream into reality? Nestled on the top of a hill in the cozy village of Varbovka, this traditional Bulgarian house is your perfect escape. Fully furnished and ready to move in, it even includes a new refrigerator and washing machine. The main building, with its solid stone foundation and handmade brick construction, has stood the test of time for nearly 120 years. Inside, you'll find 5 rooms, a bathroom, and a corridor, with a spacious basement beneath the main floor. This property boasts 1,000 square meters of highly fertile land adorned with various trees, offering a charming retreat and a fantastic opportunity for developing a good-sized farm. Imagine cultivating your own crops or starting a small bed and breakfast business in this idyllic setting. Before we continue, tell us where you're from and what your thoughts are about Bulgaria in the comments below. Located at the very edge of one of the area's most beautiful villages, this rural haven provides a perfect escape from the busy and noisy city life. Whether you're looking for a holiday retreat or a permanent residence, this property offers everything you need. With available electricity, main water, and fast broadband internet, you won't have to sacrifice modern conveniences for rustic charm. Can you picture yourself enjoying exceptional open views of the surrounding hills and forests from your new home? This picturesque village features a bar, restaurant, food store, medical office, public transport, a post office, and more. The area offers ample opportunities for walks in nature, fishing, horse riding, and other outdoor activities amidst breathtaking scenery. What would you do with such a fertile land? Share your ideas in the comments below. For those looking to move permanently and develop a small farm, bed and breakfast, or even a honeybee business, this property is a golden opportunity. The stunning views and access to beautiful forests, rivers, and meadows make it an ideal spot for horse riding or long walks in an unpolluted, serene environment. This 100% freehold property is incredibly fertile, perfect for growing your own crops, fruits, vegetables, or even raising chickens. Available for sale in cash or on flexible pay-monthly plans, it offers a unique chance to own a piece of paradise tailored to your needs. Don't wait, contact us as soon as possible so you don't miss this amazing opportunity. If you can see yourself living in this dream home, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.